course, I'm gonna try something made of chestnut. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Sakura Japanese snack box for the month of November. The box is still the same like the previous box. Oh, this time the customer did not open it yet. So got the postcard again. So this month theme is Autumn Flavor of Kyushu. So Kyushu is the southernmost of the 4 main islands of Japan. First one is the emo bread. So this one is ginkgo biscuit, and it actually have a shape. The biscuit actually have a shape of the ginkgo leaves. Okay, I'm going to play a short video of my last trip in Japan. The tree behind me is about 600 to 700-year-old ginkgo tree. So this is the ginkgo leaves. Okay. This one is a white potato monaka. Daimaru Senbei. Honey castella cake. So it's like the last one. I also have castella cake. Pineapple polo. Chestnut Bauernkuchen. Then the tea. 2 packs of green tea. Then you have the potato chips, sweet potatoes, potato chips. Kumamoto chestnut. Oh, this is the monju, the Kumamoto Castle chestnut monju. Yeah, got 2. This is the milk cookies. Senbei, 2 senbei, black bean senbei. A bowl, it's made in Japan. Bowl, and there is azuki beans jelly. And this one another jelly, citrus jelly. Then you have the chestnut, again chestnut monju. The last is, this is the black sugar cookie. Black sugar is from Okinawa. Actually, some of the islands are very near to Okinawa, but it's under Kagoshima prefecture. So that's why it's under Kyushu. Wow, you have the Kumamoto there. I have changed to the Japanese outfit. Now I'm gonna try just one of the Japanese snack. So which one I'm gonna try? Let's check it out. It's the autumn theme, so I'm gonna try something made of chestnut. And this one is the chestnut Baumkuchen. Baumkuchen is originally from Germany. Baumkuchen, like tree cake, but it's very popular in Japan. Just look at how it looks like a tree trunk. The chestnut taste is very strong. It's good with a cup of coffee or a tea. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this one now. Thank you for watching on my review of the Sakuraco box for November 2021. See you again. Bye bye.